Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Emotional intelligence. Okay, so do you find yourself in a position where you think that you kind of lose your handle on things, or you lose your temper, or you let people get under your skin? That's emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is how we deal with input from other people and situations that come along. And there are 3 really easy things we can do to try to level this out and let you be the controller rather than being controlled. Okay, because if you have weak emotional intelligence, you are liable to become controlled, and we don't want that. We want to be in control as much as possible of our own feelings. Okay, so here's 3 little steps. It's a 3R model. You receive the input from whatever the fuck is happening. You know, you're having an argument with your spouse, or you're at work and something comes up and you feel like you're going to lose your temper. You receive the input, okay? Then number 2, you reflect. So that's the key. This is the key here, where we pause. We take a quick pause, think about it for a second, reflect on what the fuck just happened, get your shit together, don't fucking go off the handle. This is the whole point. And then number 3, this is when we do the response. So you have to receive the information, it's the pause in the middle, the reflection, and then the response. That's the 3R model for emotional intelligence. And watch what happens. Because when you can control yourself and your own emotions, you can be the winner in your life. Don't let people manipulate you. This is the whole thing. Humans we're built for this shit. We manipulate people. It's just the way it is. We try to find the easiest way to get things done. It is what it is. Emotional intelligence. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. I'm Papa Tom. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Love y'all.